where he was a counselor in Sweden and a Catholic Guild of Education and
जी फॅमिली आमच्या वास्कोन रावता हांव इकबाल भाई वळखता अब्बासाक वळखता वेरी म्हणजे ती फॅमिली जी आसा ती डावन टू अर्थ फॅमिली सारकी आमी तेंगेर ईदाक वयता ते आमगेर चवथीक येता दिवाळेक येता सो आमचे रिलेशन इतलें बरें ना सारकें की आमी केन्ना हे म्हणजे जी फ्रेंडशीप आहा ती डिफरंट लेवलाची फ्रेंडशीप सारकी सो ही फॅमिली जी आहा ही सदांच हेल्पफूल फॅमिली हांवें इकबाल भाईक सुद्दां असो खूब लोकांक हेल्प करतना पळयला इवन अब्बासाक सुद्दां आणि हांवें इम्तियाज भाईचें खूब आयकलां सारकें सचिन भगत म्हजो फ्रेंड जो सदांच इम्तियाज भाईक तांकां कनेक्टेड आसलेलो हांव इकबालाक आनी अब्बासाक सारको वळखता इम्तियाज भाई कडेन ईदाक ह्या फावटी हांव उलयलो तुमचे कडेन तुमकां फोन केलो तेन्ना सो सांगपाक वचप म्हटल्यार हें आमकां गोंयकारां खातीर एक व्हडलें अचिवमेंट सारकें की आमचो भाव थंयसर एक पदाचेर आसा आनी आमचे कितलेशे भाव थंय गेल्लेले आसा सो तांकां भंय ना सो तांकां सांबाळपाक कोण तरी आसा हेल्प करपाक कोण तरी आसा सो हांव खरेंच त्या फॅमिलीक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा की आमकां हे दिल्या बद्दल आयज आमच्या हांगासर ह्या स्टेजीचेर स हेल्पिंग हँड्स आहात कॅप्टन विरियाटो जुझे फिलिप डिसोजा नजीर शेख इम्तियाज शेख हेडोरेबल शेख आनी आमचो किस्तोद डिसोजा हे सगळे म्हणजे हेल्पफूल इन नेचर तुमी आयज पळयत जाल्यार आमचो नजीर भाई सदांच फुडें आसता कितें हेल्प करपाक कोणाकूय जुझे फिलिपान जाल्यार सांगूंक नाका कॅप्टन विरियाटो ताका खंयच्याय टायमार फोन कर कितें इज माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड हांव ताका पॉलिटिशियन हो धरिना ताका हांव एक एक्टिविस्टूच कहो पळयता अजून मेरेन ताच्या आंगान तेच गुण आहा एक्टिविस्टाचे सो आयज आमी पळयता सो हे जे हेल्पिंग हँड्स आहा हे आमच्या सोसायटीन खरेंच गरजेचे आयज तुमी हांगासर सगळे उपस्थित रावले म्हाजे पत्रकार भाव हांगासर आहा आयज जुझे फिलिप बाबान प्रितम नायक परशुराम हेंच्यांनी सगळ्यांनी हो प्रोग्राम घडोवन हाडलो सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आनी हांव मागता आमच्या इम्तियाज भाई आनी हेडोरेबल भाई कडेन की अशेंच तुमी गोंयकारांक हेल्प करीत रावा कितें आनी आमचे बेस्ट विशीस तेंच्या वांगडा
to have both of you right there in the council in the UK, any Indian for that matter, when he reads or sees in the social media that one of their own, even if you don't know personally, but one of their own makes it to a position of power, it gives us immense pleasure. A feeling of pride. It makes us feel as if amcho ekto kon thoi pavlo kasो. And that is what I think so Mr. Jose Philip was telling that when you all, though I am meeting you all for the first time, we've spoken because of some issues which were there and we were trying to help some third person. But this is how I look at it ki janna amcho you all want to pick up? Not audible? Okay, I think so. You want to pick up on the thing? No, it's audible, no? Yeah. Okay.
So many childhood friends here today. हांव जाणटे जावं ना तुमी जाले जाणटे सगळे But again, let me wind this up by saying our Honorable MP, Captain Viado, thank you so much for being available. I've called you middle of the night and you have answered my calls. You've helped us deal with situations that is next to impossible. But having you there, I feel comfortable because I know I can call you and explain to you the situation that our community is going through. And I know that somebody will represent us in the right place. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, please. Jose Philip is somebody that I was talking to him today morning and we were talking about the good old days. Maguda sa to hard kattala ami garan somte bitor challe chaw pitale sagle ham to chaw teje chaw kadun ami pitale guda samajha azul. But Jose Philip is one of those friends that we cannot deny. That friendship is gold. That memories that we made with Jose Philip is gold. He never expected anything from us, but he was always the one
who made sure that we had great future. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much for everything you've done. Also, yes, Nazir Bhai is one of those strict brothers that we would say, "Padhai kar rahe." You know, he would make sure that we would not get in trouble. I think my brother Abbas would get a lot of grief from him because he would be the naughtiest in the family. But he also made sure that we understood, we valued manners, respect, behavior. Because I think somewhere that has helped us today, very much. I think it has made us a true gentleman. Thank you very much. What can I say about Custodio? He is the rock star. He is a brother from another mother. There is no words that I can explain. I would have to write millions of words to explain what Custodio is. In simple words, a man with gold heart. A man, a friend that would do anything for you. And I'm glad that he is the voice of people today. He is doing some great work and is fighting for others. It takes courage, my friend. Thank you so much. Oshens, आमचे आनी activists आहाय हिंगा. I watch your videos and it makes me proud. आमी दाखवता आमचे लोकांक थिंगा बाबा चोय. We are connected. Our roots is Goa. We cannot get disconnected. आता आमी थिंगसान request केला dual national, request केला खूप OCI चे rights change improve करपाक request करतात आमी. Just because we have the love. Goa is home. You can ask any NRIs or NREs or Portuguese passport. Who to me? Indian munna, Goinkar munna. It's a fact. Direct Goinkar munna. Thode confused are Goa hoinga. Where is Goa? India. Of course, but I'm Goinkar. So that connection will never get disconnected. And we abroad live with that hope that nobody can take us away from our soil. We will do anything and everything to stay connected. We come home. You know, the minute our flight lands, I cannot express the happiness that comes on our face, that excitement, that love. Ami Pavale going. So whatever help you all can give us from here, be our voice for us. Don't let people disconnect us from this land. We share this home. Goa is ours. United we stand, divided we fall. So ladies and gentlemen, I won't bore you a lot, but I'm really grateful for this day. आमची वास्को कारण आयज हो प्रोग्राम केला. Jose Filipov आमका felicitate केला. Captain, thank you so much for making your time. And Michael, for being so generous and kind to us and introducing us in such a warm and welcoming way. Appreciate it. Have a lovely evening.
I was a student, a small boy, and at that time social media nashila. The only means of information was Navin Times, Herald, and the Gomantak Times. Then amka Mr. Keith Wass became a member of parliament, I think so, from the Labour Party, from your party. And then amka खूपशे उमेद आयली आमचो एकटो कोण हांव केन्ना मेळोंकूच ना बट एज अ स्मॉल बॉय उमेद येताली की आमचो थंय पावलो म्हण यू नो आनी एक उमेद येताली की तो थंय पावतकूच आमचे गोंयकारपण आमचे जो कल्चर आसा संस्कृती आसा आमची हेरिटेज आसा आमचे दायज आसा ही विल बी प्रोक्लेमिंग इट on that stage at a very high level. And I'm sure many before you all also have made it. not only in UK, in Australia, and we should feel a sense of pride. Today, since I'm there in Parliament and you all are on the other side of the continent, Ani, I think so, some months back, there was a situation where a young Goan who took foreign citizenship, he lost his life, and we were trying to bring the body to Goa, because that was his last wish. But there was some problems from the Ministry of External Affairs. I managed to get the permission, but from the High Commission in London there were problems, and finally after a long wait, sadly the family had to bury the body in UK itself. But that gave rise to some thought process wherein I think so we can collaborate in future. Not only if somebody is deceased, but somebody is in need. Today I was there in Margao where a young girl doing her medicine in a foreign country. It's been 3 years she has not been able to come home. So it took us a little while to find out what was the problem. It was just that procedural error what she went through, and we are going to correct. So I think so many Goans are there in UK, and we can look forward to you all to extend that help what is required. Not only in places where we require help, where external affairs of both countries are involved, but also I think so where a lot of Goans will be there, where I'm sure you all will be extending your hand in either employment or some way. So I won't take much more time, but I wish you all the very best, and your son also all the very best. And we hope many more Goans can make it. But one request from a whole lot of Goans, I said there are activists here, Mr. Shankar Polji and Mr. Jayesh Shetgaonkar and Sanjay and so many others, that we are fighting a battle to save this very land that you were born in. And the battle continues. हे पळय आमचे सोबीत सुंदर गोंय पळय, आय होप यू अंडरस्टँड आमचे सोबीत, मग कोंकणी उलोवपाक उमेद येता. सो आमचे हे सोबीत सुंदर गोंय पळय आसा, समजता न्ही, समजता आमचे सोबीत सुंदर गोंय पळय शेतांनी माडांनी दोंगरांनी हे भरलेलें जे आमच्या वडिलांनी सांबाळून दवरलां, ताजेर आयज अटॅक जालो सगळ्या सायडींनी. जो आमी डेव्हलपमेंट म्हणटा, that development konacho when that sobit sundar goy destroyed them. Amchi ladai chalu asa to save Goa for the future generations. But I request you all at that world stage, in small ways, if you can raise this matter. We are also getting help from Australia, from Gulf countries, where our expatriates have promised that they will highlight, because Goa is a small dot. असत कोण चोलन वचत ताजेर तर व्हडले सगळे इंडस्ट्रियली जाल्यार आमकां खूब मार लागतलो, आनी ती लढाई चालू आसा. And we want you to somehow raise this matter, because a lot of these businessmen who are destroying Goa and India are the citizens of UK. They are Indians, citizens of UK. So I know places like countries like UK and Australia and New Zealand, European countries are very sensitive when it comes to saving environment. So it's a humble request on behalf of Goans that in some way, if you can raise this matter, and from your side whatever help we can extend. I don't want to disclose now, but we are working, our team is working, where hopefully instead of you applying for visa or OCI and waiting for, we are working on something, what we had promised. I won't say that word, but it's going to come. It's going to come shortly, and lakhs of, I'll say, not lakhs, crores of Indians. In the name of Goa, I think so crores of Indians, expatriates, settled abroad will benefit. In this session, hopefully, which is coming in November, we are going to take a step which it will help you and all these Goans who are abroad. Thank you. Dev Bare Guru. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
I am Vijay. पहिलेच सांगले Vijay, you have to be ready. There kind of problem now. But Derefan Jana, Imtiaz Babu Jana Goy Ailo, Tana Makade Jawan phone Gelo. I was out of station. And the eyes Imtiaz Babu. Especially, how Maja Hunaur Gawan Aslo. Maja business had problem dalo, new body problem dalo, of tinga halo. But eyes the sogle sanum, eyes amcha bhavak, ya amcha brugyak, eyes felicitation kurpak, eyes amin ajirasani. Within one day, we have informed everybody. I am really happy with them because they are immediately yele. And children patrikaru amcha bav yele. How imtiaz bav जायती वर्ष जाले उनको था. तो पूरे family इंदलो. त्याजो daddy, त्याजो mommy, त्याच्या घरान आमी वचपी. आणि घरान वचून ती इतली loving family की हांव त्यांच्या फेस्टिवलाक त्यांच्या सदांच घरान वचपी. आणि ते सदांच माझ्या बरोबर आसा. बाब इक्वल जाऊन त्याजो बस जाऊन हे सगळे आमच्या बरोबर आहा. पण आयज म्हणटात एक उमेद कितें? आयज म्हणटात एक उमेद म्हणटात एकूच की आमचो भुरगो, आमचो वास्कोचो, आमचो ह्या वास्कोन जल्मलो आयज आमच्या UK या इंग्लंड या हितून गांवान वचून ते व्हडले कंट्रीन तुम्ही वचून आयज तो मेयर जालो. हे आमकां वास्कोकारांक व्हडली शाबासकी. आणि आयज आमी वास्कोकार सगळ्यात फॉरेन्स आमी एक खुशाल की नशिबन की आमच्या बरोबर रावपी भुरगो, आमच्या बरोबर भोंवपी भुरगो, आमच्या बरोबर आवरपी भुरगो आयज मेयर जावन गेलो UK या इंग्लंड शारान. केन्ना व्हडले वॉर जावं. ताका लागून जेन्ना आमचे भुरगे वा आमची भुरगीं जरी तर वयले पावंड्यार पावता आनी ती तर वचोन जर दुसऱ्या देशांनी तर नांव जोडटा जाल्यार आमकां तांकां शाबासकी दिवपाची गरज. आनी आमी फरे शाबासकी दिवपाक जाय. बाब इम्तियाजाचें इतलेंच काम न्हय. हांवें अशेंय आयकलां इम्तियाज जो मेयर हा म्हणूनच काम करना. म्हाका हेवूय आयकलो तेजो फ्रेंड येवंक ना आतां हांगा गेबी लिपलो सायकल सांगची ती. हांव जे ह्या भुरग्यांनी आयज आमच्या ह्या देशान वचून बरें काम करता म्हाका भावाक पळयलो. आयज जरी तर UK ह्या शहरान तर कितेंय जालें ओ कसलोय प्रॉब्लेम जालो जाल्यार इम्तियाज बाब व थोडे आमचे भुरगे रोखडेच पावता की आमच्या गोंयकारांक. हांवें चोयलां हांव जेन्ना एक पॅरिसाक पावलो, हांव पॅरिसाक गेल्लो, हांव स्वित्झर्लंडासान पॅरिसा येयल्लो. तेन्ना पॅरिसा येयलो तेन्ना आमगे वास्कोकार गोंयच्या नावेलीचो भुरगो अरे आमी गोंयकार मरे लिपण मड्या कुशीन नावलो. ही मनीस तसले गोंया हाय, त्या शहरान हाय, तिंगा हाय, पण परिस्थितीत ती कांय कळना. आनी आमचे भुरगे येवपाचे नासून आमच्या भुरग्यांनी सगळ्यांनी एकमेकाक सपोर्ट करपाची गरज. आनी करपा जाय सपोर्ट. आयज दोगांय तेजे मिसेसूय इम्तियाजाची, शी इज ऑल्सो काउन्सिलर. And you have been given a cabinet member. I was just captain. I was just asking, like, you know, a cabinet member, but the ministry cabinet asta, no? What is that? I don't know. It's like in a ministry. Is it? Wow, great. Great. Both are in the, I could say, you are a politician. That's nice. That's nice. आमच्या गांवचे आमचे भुरगे बाराबरी भाशेन मुखार पावले जाल्यार खरेंच आमकां हांव देवा कडेन इतलेंच मागता, जेन्ना आयज आमकां ही संदी मेवली की आमचे हे भाव हे आमची भयण आयज जर ते ह्या शहरान वचून तर बरे हेजेर पावड्यार पावल्या. माय विशीस फॉर यू, यू शूड टच युअर हायेस्ट पोस्ट. विच इज दॅट हायेस्ट पोस्ट? Also, because they are very young, भुरगीं हा पावूंक शकता. You can't say no. काय नो कितें जावपाचें आहा फ्युचरान तें कांयच खबर ना. एज म्हाजी हिस्ट्री, म्हाजी तर हांव बेश्टोच एमएलए जालो, म्हाका लोकांनी आमच्या वाड्या वयले भाव भयण थंय सेबी आहा हांगा, किस्तो धा पेवचे किस्तो धा पिदा धा, हे सगळे हे सगळे म्हाका मुखार काडली आणि मुखार काडून फायनली हांव हितून पावलें आणि हांव म्हणटा नाका शी हांव जायना. न्हू तें नशिबान कितें आहा न्हू तें केन्नाच चुकोना. नशिबान आहा तेंच मेवता. सो म्हाजे विशीस तुमकां हेजे आनी स्पेशली आयज आमी फेलिसिटेशन आयज जर आमी तुमकां केलां जाल्यार ह्या कामा लागून केलां की आमी उमेदीन भरले, आमी खुशाल की तुम्ही तुमच्या एक व्हडल्या पयल्या मुखेल्या पावड्यार तुम्ही पावचे. तुम्ही तर मुखार पावले आमकां वास्कोकारांक बर शाबासकी. आयज हांव म्हजी दोन उतरां काबार करचे पयले हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आमच्या खासदाराक, बाब साऊथ गोवा खासदार बाब विर्याचो फॅर्नांडीसाक एक उतराचेर ताणें इमिजिएटली येता म्हणून सांगलें. कित्याक म्हाकाय जावं आसलें, कित्याक हे मातशें म्हणटा तें यू शूड बी अवेलेबल फॉर 24 hours. कॅप्टन, नो पॉलिटिक्स इज लायक दॅट. देर आर सर्टन पॉलिटिक्स अशी आसा की आमी रातचे दीस वो कांय ना. हांव केन्नाय म्हणटा म्हज्या भाशणान, इट्स अ पॉलिटिशियन म्हणजे कितें जाणा कॅप्टन, इट्स लायक ए डॉक्टर. इट्स अ डॉक्टर एंड पॉलिटिशियन गो टुगेदर. व्हाय आय से दॅट? Because immediately if there is a problem, you have to go and help. I remember Dr. Bandekar that even 12 o'clock night I tego oya करून येलो उबारून म्हणजे I tego उठायलो आणि डायरेक्ट काढलो आणि हॉस्पिटलान येलो जेएमसी आणि ऑपरेशन करून लायले. इट्स लायक एमर्जन्सी म्हणटा ते एमर्जन्सी केन्ना आसता डॉक्टरांनी भायर सरपाचें. इवन अ पॉलिटिशियन इट्स अ गुड पॉलिटिशियन, तेणी देखून भायर सरपाचें. So this is a tip I'm giving only for you, because तुम्ही आता कितें आहा, तुम्ही बरें जावपाचें आहा. तुम्ही आयज तुम्ही मेयराचो पोस्ट घेतलो, डेप्युटी मेयरूय तुम्ही जाले. आयज तुम्ही एज अ काउन्सिलर म्हणून आयज थिंगा काम करता. दॅट इज अ बिग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड माय हंबल रिक्वेस्ट तुमकां की जेन्ना आमची भाव भयणां आमचे भुरगे हे ज्या शहरान तुमच्या बरोबर आहा तेन्ना तुम्ही प्लीज हेल्प देम. इफ दे रिक्वायर कसलेंय तर हेल्प जाय जाल्यार तुम्ही रात दीस पळयनासतना आमच्या गोंयच्या वा आमच्या भुरग्यांक तुम्ही सपोर्ट करचो. आनी इतलेंच सांगून हांव तुमकां आनी आयज तुमकां तुमचे मम्मीक आनी डॅडी ना तेजोय एक उगडास करता. कित्याक आयज तूं मेयर जाला तेन्ना तुजो डॅडी आसपाक जालो पळोवपाक. Because you must be missing. आपणान चेडो तेन्ना म्हाका तो डॅडी केन्नाय मेवलो जाल्यार म्हाका म्हणटालो तुजो डॅडी म्हाजे बगले येतालो आनी म्हाका म्हणटालो तूं व्हडलो मिनिस्टर तूं ये मरे हे भाशेन ताकाय बरें दिसतालें. सो हे भाशेन आजचें देवान तुमकां बरो आवक दिवचो, बरो हेल्थ दिवचें आनी लोकांचें बरें काम करपाक तुमकां देवान मुखार काडचें.
Very nice, very good.